Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 Ford Transit from any screen here. Actually, I'm going to turn that down, otherwise music will play when I try and show you. So any screen, onto nav, click nav. You've got there zoom, move, stop, mute. So I'm just going to click stop actually, because it was already navigating me to a place. So that's the route. Then we want destination input. Again, we use these arrows, not this volume control. So arrows, destination input, click OK. City and postcode, that's what we want, so we click OK. And then again, I'm going for this volume control, but you use the arrows. So we want Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, so that's P. So you select the letter and then click OK. We need numbers now. The numbers come up at the bottom, 5. This one, even though we've only got 2 digits, we don't have to put a space in. Some you do, so be careful of that, or be mindful if you get to the first 2 letters and then 1 number and it won't let you go any further. It's because you need to put a space in, then another number, and then the last letters. So select 4 and then up to J. Oops. So PR5 4J. The last one is S. Click S. PR5 4JS. That's the one we want. And you've got OK, keyboard, backspace or cancel. Click OK. And then we click start. You've got start store, coordinates and map. Click start. Eco. I just want to get there. I don't want, it's like having a test in an exam.
Continue to follow the road.
That's it. That's how you do it.